Smashed my finger. How you doing, everyone? My name's Crazy Ann Mechanic. Welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new here, welcome. We're working on this. This is my Jeep. Yeah, it looks really weird. There's no motor, nothing. But here's the motor. So we are tearing this down. We got parts sitting over there. So they got the bearings, which
parts everywhere.
Parts pretty much every flipping where. So we got these. It took me, I don't know how many tries to find these. It's like these have gone extinct. Your main bearing. We got a new shaft here, which you guys can see. But here's the problem with all of our old parts. Why we're going this far. Well, the bolts look like crap. This one, somebody just smashed at really bad. The rest of it just looks like rust, and these look bad. These don't. So these are concerned. That's an electronic distributor. This thing, these teeth right here are just gone. They're like metal to metal. I don't even know if the camera's picking that up. I do apologize to the guy for shoddy camera work, but the rest of this isn't bad. But I got a new one because I'm not trusting that. The main reason why, because we're changing the bearings, because we spotted a problem with this. I don't know if I could even show it to you on camera where that ship. It's pretty bad on here.
Well, all the teeth are almost gone.
Yeah, almost all the teeth are gone. But right there.
You compare that to a new one. How thick they are on a new one.
Yeah, look at that. It's pretty chewed right there. You know, and where this one is not even chewed. This is completely brand new. Come on, camera. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, guys. That's pretty wild. It takes a 12 point deep weld to take the head off. The rods are the push rods are well, questionable. So we're just gonna get new ones. Might as well.
There's a bent one in there.
There's a bent one in here.
Yeah.
I just don't know where it is. Oh, that might be it.
There's a couple bent ones.
Yeah, look at that. That might be kind of slightly bent. Yeah, I noticed this one's slightly bent, guys. It's not straight.
And then we're going to change out lifters.
Change out lifters. Look at that. The spark plugs are burning hot. He's recommended to get that done. These are, I don't like this. Look at that. If it's white, it's clean. These are clean. So I'm wondering on these damn pistons if there's been any valve slapping. Let me see. Let's put the camera light on. I don't see any smacking or I don't see it even on the crown anywhere. Like clean this, but that's concerning. Holy smokes, that's concerning. Yeah. So that's what we want to do. We're tearing this down because we need to go through it, because now we're, yep. These don't look bad, but
if you're doing it, you might as well put new in.
Yeah, if you're doing it, do it right. Don't.
Yeah, you never know if you got a collapsed one or not.
Yeah, you don't want to put it back together, guys. Well, great, I'm dropping them all over, but these lifters do not have to stay in order, guys, because let's start. Where would be a nice, good, strong magnet? How about that?
Got it?
Yep, I got it.
The very first one. Very first one.
Alright, let me get the there. Alright, got that. Okay. These don't look bad, but we're just going to go ahead and replace them. Come on, camera,
Because
focus.
it could be one of these was stuck when the whatever one that's bent. Oh yeah, you can see that. Look at that. That's bent.
Look at this.
This one of these could have been stuck, so it would bent it instead of pushing in. So we could have a stuck one.
Yeah, we could have a stuck one. Look at this.
You can see it's bent.
Yeah, I can see how it's bent. Oh, hell, that's
So
pretty.
that could be a stuck lifter.
That could be a stuck lifter. So now, the reason why also, I'm not laying down on the ground underneath the vehicle to change these out. So we're going to flip the motor over.
Yeah.
And we're going to start changing those main bearings. Because I really can't do too much to help them because it's usually a one-man show here.
But since we got it out, it can be,
Yeah.
wouldn't be too bad.
All right, I'm going to put you on pause so I can help them out. I'm going to see what I can do to help them out. I got to get those over there. And I'm going to come back and we're going to show you what it looks like when it's all done. All right, I'll catch you guys in a brief. All right, guys, I am back. And this has gotten a whole lot worse than I thought. You see these bearings? Holy shit, those things are holy smokes. This guy said he rebuilt it. Holy shit, they are all bad. And these things smell like burnt oil. Oh, man.
Yeah,
They're bad. They are bad. Look at that, and look at that where he's got.
there's grooves in that.
There's grooves right in this, man.
This one's horrible. Feel that.
Yeah, this one's horrible. I don't even know if this crank's any good, guys.
You're gonna have to take it to the machine shop and have them turn it.
Yeah, wait, hold on, wait. Oh, look at that. That's a bearing. Oh my God, that's horrible.
Yeah, there's still bearings on them. Those are your rod bearings.
I'm glad we went this far because holy smokes, look at that. Let's see, what other goofiness let's take off the next one. Oh my God, bent push rods and more surprises. This one, look at that. Ooh. Look at that, guys. Oh my God, right down to the copper. Anything down to the copper, that is very bad. And I don't think he rebuilt this motor, guys. I am telling you right now. See, the rest of these feel good. No, these don't feel too bad now.
Yeah, you can feel grooves.
I can feel grooves, but I think we could polish this out.
Machine shop will have to do that. It takes a tool to do that.
Yeah, but we're going to get this polished out, get this done.
And get different bearings because you're going to need oversized bearings.
I need oversized bearings now. But guys, that's bad. And these smell like, these right here, just smell like pure burnt oil, man. I've never smelled oil burnt that bad. Whew. That's bad.
Yeah.
Let's show them the head gasket. The head gasket.
The head gasket's over there. The head gasket. The head is over here.
Head gaskets are fine. No, I don't know about that, but those two valves right here, I'm pointing this out, Mr. Mechanic, but look at that. They're like, I know that these are been clean. That's concerning. That is very concerning. These are no longer, we can't use these. They don't fit no more. We can use those.
No, you can't use those either.
Can't use those either.
No, 'cause as soon as they do that, you're gonna have to have a
push rod.
You're gonna have your mains and your.
Yep, we're gonna need rod bearings. The pistons are fine, as far as I know. Holy smokes, guys! Just absolutely holy smokes! Holy crap! That's a lot worse than I expected. Well, I'm kind of glad we got to this part. I'm gonna just get it. I have a new one. Might as well. Way to go, dude, with those bolts. Man, guys, this is bad. Oh, man, that's bad. I don't need a new one of these. These are fine. This is fine sensor. I'm not going to replace that. Yep. I'm kind of glad we didn't do it. I'm glad I didn't just change the oil pump, put it back together, and gone on my merry way. That's bad. You guys don't, even the cameras can't pick it up in person, but man, that is shiny gold.
Yeah, and if you had a fingernail, it'd stop on every single one of those lines. You can just feel every single one.
Yeah, you could feel it, man. Yeah, some mechanic, huh?
Yeah, didn't he say it was rebuilt?
Yeah, and he didn't even rebuild it. Wonderful, dude. You cost me more money than I wanted. I didn't want to do that, but it needs to be done. It's a safety concern. It's enough to set a red flag. Next thing we're gonna have to do is get into the engine. Ugh, shit. There's a seal back there. We're gonna have to get that done. That brake line right there. I don't know how well that camera is picking that up, but look, all that rust. Come on, camera, focus.
Yeah, you gotta do those. Your engine mount.
Yeah, the engine mounts. You gotta get those done.
I would definitely do these two arms here too.
Yeah, get those two arms done. Those two arms definitely are. Holy shit, they're bad. That bushing's almost pushing out over here, and notice that right away. Or that's just part of it. Never mind. Holy shit, gotta clean this engine. Alright guys, it's gonna be a wrap for this video. Unfortunately, we could not, I don't have all the parts, and you guys got it.
But as soon as we do get all the parts, we're going to do a video
on putting
it back together.
Yeah, but this is how far we have gotten. Lots of dirty surprises, just lots and lots of surprises along the way. This is a shocker. I mean, whoa. Well, I love rebuilding engines. My first car, guys, was a 68 Portrino 351 Cleveland. It was a very good car. I love that car, but unfortunately, time and money did not fall in the car's favor, so that's unfortunate. All well on that, but there it is, guys. You guys kind of see where it is. I have done a video in a while. I try to jump you guys into this motor. Don't let your bearings get that bad. Be careful where you buy your car and stuff. Just use your head. Make sure you're asking questions and stuff before you purchase the vehicle. Because this was all preventable. If I asked some further questions, I should have just told the guys no and walked.
Well, this was up by Michigan, so.
Yeah, it's up by Michigan, so it was $700, guys. You know, it was well worth it, but it's my fault.
Well, it did run good until we had no oil pressure.
Yeah, it ran good until we had no oil pressure, and then that's when we was like, oh, fuck. And I don't know if that was caused by the no oil pressure or that was his doing. Or he didn't do a good job braking. One of the two. So, there you guys go. That's an unfortunately rotten situation. So, we're dead in the water on there again. What are those? Those are what the main... I might be looking for new bolts for the here. I might
your main caps?
Yeah, I might get some new main cap bolts. Because yeah. Okay, then. I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to call it quits for the day, guys. I got to work in a little while, so... I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry you guys did not get to see me tearing it all the way down, but you guys have seen the aftermath of destruction to this poor 4.0. So that's basically what you guys see. That's how a 4.0 really looks like, torn down. That's how you guys get to see it. There's your heads. And those two, you're going to probably tell me just refurbish the head. I don't know. What do you guys want me to do with the head? Should we have the valves done? Do everything else, you know, maybe pull the pistons out. Should we do that? Should we literally put new pistons and rods in this? Let me know, guys. What should we do with this engine? You know what? I know we need to refurbish that. But what should we do? Should we do new pistons, new rods?
I think.
Heath,
we're rebuilding it right now. You can put at least new rings in it.
I'm thinking the same thing.
So then it's all whole fresh bottom end.
Yeah, I'm thinking
all brand new bottom end.
Yeah. So Mr. Mechanic thinks do the whole bottom end, new rings, everything. Let me know, guys, what we should do. Let me know down below. Hit the subscribe button if you're liking the video. Leave your comments, thoughts. Tell me what's going on with it. I'm sorry for the poor quality video. And let me know what you guys think of that. And let me know what we should do with this. And should we put some performance mods on it? I know there's performance mods out there, but should we do it? Let me know. Should I go ahead and bore it out just to make sure it's not going to cause an issue down the road? Let me know on that. So if you guys like it, again, hit the like button down below, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Okay? See you guys in the next one. Peace out.